Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn Moonstones in Disney Dreamlight Valley. So a few ways that you can press escape here, go to events and go to rewards here. As you can see, if you have done the duties, you'll be able to get some Moonstones here. The star path is right now finished, but there will still be more. So here, as you can see, you can get some Moonstones here and there. Some of them is premium, but this one you can do some of these star path duties. You can also go to the Dream Snaps area, go to voting, and here you'll be able to claim some Moonstones if you vote for the Dream Snaps that they have. So here, just vote around like 50 photos, like so. I think it doesn't have to be 50. I think it has to be like, what, 25? Or I don't know. I don't know how to count. But here, as you can see, you have claimed the Moonstones here. You can't claim more than 50 though. Then you can also go around the map to find like the blue chests. For instance, on this one, there was one near the garden here. Don't forget to open these like green chests as well. You'll get like some items here. On the blue one, you'll get Moonstones as well. So these just spawn randomly around your valley. If you haven't opened them, they'll be there, and it will give you around 50 Moonstones. That's basically the ways to collect Moonstones. Again, you can do some of the Star Path duties, open the blue chest, and even vote in Dream Snaps. Yeah, vote on Dream Snaps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!